Hello, the Python Package Index, PyPI, announced last week that all accounts that maintain projects on the official third-party software repository will require to turn on two-factor authentication by the end of the year. This comes nearly a year after PyPI made 2FA mandatory for critical project maintainers. Deception can detect advanced threats, stop lateral movement, and enhance your zero trust strategy. From here on out, PyPI will begin gating access to certain site functionality based on 2FA usage, PyPI Administrator Donald Stufft said. Upcoming WebBinAR Zero Trust Deception, learn how to outsmart attackers. Discover how deception can detect advanced threats, stop lateral movement, and enhance your zero trust strategy. Databases.org/products/python/deception.html. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy short news like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time.